Dating apps won't work for you. Here's why. While dating apps can be effective for many people in finding romantic connections, they may not work for everyone due to various reasons. It's important to understand why dating apps might not be the right fit for someone and consider alternative ways to meet potential partners. Here are some reasons why dating apps may not work for certain individuals. Limited authenticity. Some people find it challenging to be their authentic selves on dating apps. They may feel pressured to present an idealized version of themselves, which can lead to inauthentic connections. Overwhelm. The sheer volume of profiles and options on dating apps can be overwhelming. Some individuals may struggle to sift through potential matches, leading to frustration and fatigue. Superficiality. Dating apps often prioritize visual attraction, and this can lead to superficial connections that lack depth and substance. Misleading profiles. Not everyone on dating apps is entirely honest about themselves. Misleading or deceptive profiles can lead to disappointment or even unsafe encounters. Lack of chemistry. While someone may have an appealing profile, there may be no real chemistry or connection when meeting in person. Time-consuming. Using dating apps can be time-consuming. For people with busy schedules or those who prefer more efficient ways to meet potential partners, dating apps may not be ideal. Inadequate screening. Some individuals may have concerns about their safety when meeting people from dating apps. Properly screening potential dates is crucial, and this can be challenging on some platforms. Negative experiences. Previous negative experiences on dating apps, such as ghosting or hurtful interactions, can deter some individuals from continuing to use them. Social anxiety. People with social anxiety may find the idea of meeting strangers through a dating app intimidating, which can hinder their ability to form connections. Different priorities. Some people may be at a stage in their lives where they prioritize other aspects, such as career or personal growth, over dating. It's important to recognize that dating apps are just one avenue for meeting potential partners, and they are not the right fit for everyone. If dating apps don't work for you, consider other ways to meet people, such as through social activities, mutual friends, hobby groups, or professional networks. Building meaningful connections can occur through a variety of avenues, and it's important to find what works best for your individual preferences and circumstances.